Now on this 92 SVX, we're gonna take this front grill out, and it's probably gonna break because it's got tabs and they're just really old. I don't know if you can see them. There's little tabs right here. See if I can get to them without breaking this thing. It's all pretty good. There's these tabs in here. Give it a little bit of pressure. And there you go. If I get it out, I can show you guys better of what it's doing. There's just two little. Come forward. So it's got these guys right here that these slide into, and then these are the clips it clips into. That's how this thing's held on, just by 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pretty easy, actually. Simple if you ask me.